us this whole time?
No, I have a plan to erase them. Gino was supposed to... he was...
You're working with him?
No! I was using him to fix all this. To fix me. So we could all do our duty. We could all be strong. Be together.
How could we be together if we can't tell your lies from your truths, Rumi?
I knew it. I knew it was too good to be true.
Mira, no! Didn't you see? See the gold? We're so close! No, don't leave! Don't leave! I can still fix it! Zoe, please. Gino! Where are you? Gino! Say you didn't do this. How could you do this?
It was all a lie.
It was real. What we had was real. I know it was.
Like I said, I just needed you to trust me. That's all.
No, I know your story. You're a good person and you still are. You just made a mistake.
I left them! That's right. I lied to you. I only made a deal with Kima to get myself out of that miserable life. I left my sister, my mother, alone while I slept on silk sheets in the palace with my belly full every night. I left them.
That's not all you are. This is just your demon talking. You have to fight it.
That's not how it works! Listen to yourself. Is it working? You're a demon, just like me. All we get to do is live with our pain, our misery.